Estamos terminando CTI Awards 2011, casi estamos en las últimas entrevistas y nos encontramos con Scott Poretsky, que es director de arquitectura de una empresa que se llama Allot Communications. Scott, welcome to Telesemana.
Thank you very much. Great to be here.
Likewise. So tell us who Allot is first thing, and then tell us what you are showing at your booth here for the operators.
Yes, thank you. Allot is playing a very important role now on the mobile data side for the mobile operators. We provide equipment.
Sorry to interrupt. Everybody here plays a role on the data side, no?
Yes, but
but you did better. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Sorry. Go ahead.
So the role we play is providing the mobile operator visibility, and through personalization of service plans, additional revenue generation.
Okay.
So we're an important tool that sits in the network that allows the ability to see what is actually happening with mobile data and also to generate additional revenues from that data.
Okay. Tell us how.
Okay. So where we sit in the network, we're able to see the mobile data coming through, and we have protocol signatures combined with our deep packet inspection technology.
Going that way, okay.
Yes, that allows us with very high accuracy, 97% identification rate, to get very specific on the applications that the subscriber is actually running through the network. And we're able to do this with awareness of what cell site he's coming in on and what device type he's coming in on. So now this information is available.
In real time?
In real time.
Okay.
Real time graphs, CDRs, knowing now. So this is not about sending off to some offline systems, correlation offline, and then you see a week later what's happening. This is operator right now, presses a button, and you can see what's happening down to the cell site.
Can
right
they
now.
fix the problem as well? If they see or find an issue with the data flowing into the...
Well, I'll tell you, we have a very important specific example of an operator who was experiencing a surge in mobile data, and they suspected a single cell site. And through their normal tools, it would take 48 hours to figure out what was happening. Click of a button with us, they were able to view all those cell sites and see one cell site had double the amount of usage of all the other ones. Then we support drill down. You right click on the graph.
Okay.
Tell me, what subscriber? What device is he on?
Okay.
Okay, so now they know.
Somebody with a laptop downloading a bunch of movies?
They knew that, so now they knew that. It was within 3 minutes now of deciding this is what they wanted to do. 3 minutes, they're on the phone with their customer care organization who's within contact with that subscriber. They're with contact with that subscriber within 10 minutes of this whole process starting.
So the thing was solved.
And the problem was solved.
Okay. Now about deep packet inspection, going on the theoretical discussion or philosophical discussion, there are some people saying that you should be careful with deep packet inspection. Obviously, you are monitoring the type of packets that is like almost recording the conversation of somebody. Have you heard this philosophical discussion before? How deep you want to go?
Yeah, not exactly like that. There's no recording going on.
No, I know.
Yeah, so there's nothing, no illegal tapping here and recording conversations or sessions.
Data sessions are being monitored.
Yeah, so I don't want to bring the conversation in that direction because that's an incorrect assertion and not a direction to bring DPI. But what we can do with DPI is real time understand what applications the subscriber is running. Is he doing mobile video streaming? Okay. Is he doing mobile VoIP? Is he doing mobile web browsing? It's important to understand those different applications so now we can give the subscriber the experience he's expecting for that particular use of the network.
Okay. Let me rephrase the question then so we don't confuse people with recording or any illegal recording or anything.
Yeah.
How deep, my question would be, how deep should operators go with deep packet inspection? As deep as they can?
Well, what we're seeing worldwide now is huge demand by mobile operators to understand how it is their subscriber base uses the network. Not individual subscribers, but the subscriber base, how they use the network, and how that varies per device type. What do my iPhone users like to do? What do my Droid users like to do? What do my BlackBerry users like to do? What are their activities? And now also giving enforcement. It's not just reporting. Okay. It's not just the reporting piece. The other important piece we do here is the enforcement piece. So now with the enforcement, we can say this subscriber on this service plan with this device type running this type of application gets this service treatment based on his plan. So now he gets the quality of experience based on how he uses the network. It's a personalized service experience. So both the subscriber and the operator benefit.
Okay. What about, because this sounds to me like we are in the realm of policy control.
Yes.
Somehow. And, you know, we're seeing a lot of companies discussing policy control in mobile networks, tying that with billing so I can create plans.
Right.
So I don't know if Allot, on that chain of billing, policy control, deep packet inspection, you know, do you need to tie with somebody, with a partner, or you doing everything on your own?
Yeah, this is a great question, because this has really become an important part of 3G deployments and now the burgeoning 4G deployments. We have interfaces to integrate directly with policy control engines like PCRFs, billing systems like OCS for prepaid, OFCS for postpaid, because we have that detailed information now where we can do enforcement specific to the application based on a service plan, get that from the PCRF, and then give the billing systems the specific information as to how the subscriber is using the network based on the application. Now the operator can bill specific to how the subscriber is using the network.
So could an operator bill for VoIP?
Yes.
Just create a plan, and now every time you use VoIP, you fall under that plan.
We have customers using us today just for that specific application.
Okay.
SIP, Skype, put them on a service plan where they get a higher quality of service, and they get a separate quota bucket or no quota on that. And the subscriber now is able to personalize his entire service plan specific to how he's using the network.
Okay, going back to how deep operators should go with deep packet inspection. We've seen a lot of operators in Latin America discussing policy control.
Yes.
When I talk to them about deep packet inspection, it's like we haven't gotten there yet. That's my view. What is your view? For what you're seeing in Latin America, because I know you are doing business in Latin America.
Yeah, we are deployed in Latin America with PCRFs. We're the policy enforcement point. So a PCRF is a policy control point. It can decide dynamically policy, but you need something in the network on the bearer to actually enforce it, something to make it happen. And using a product like Allot, now the operator can do enforcement specific to the application, specific to that subscriber's service plan.
Okay. So you are like the CIA, the FBI, and the judges, all combined within the network.
I don't know if I
You don't like my analogies.
Yeah.
You don't like my analogies.
Those kind of analogies I like to stay away from. But,
all right.
Yeah. Well, the fact is it benefits the operator and the subscriber base, and we're seeing operators successfully deploying this with increasing revenue generation through the more personalized user experience.
Okay. Actually, it's very needed because we're seeing AT&T suffering from congestion, and probably this kind of solution.
And this can help with congestion as well. That's actually a place we didn't delve into, but that's another topic we can discuss at some time.
All right. Thank you so much for starting. Apologies for my analogies.
Thank you.